Hi, good morning my dear children. Yesterday we have taken the class that is lesson number 2 for my babies. Today I am continuing that lesson. So yesterday we have I told you about so many birds you have seen. What all kinds of birds you have seen. I asked yesterday and today I will show the pictures of some birds. Okay. So here we can see the pictures of some birds. Can you see this? So the first picture is Myna. No, you can see that, no? Myna. The second one is sparrow. The second one is sparrow. The third one is bat. The fourth one is the common bird, that is crow. Can you see, my dear children? Yeah. So these are different kinds of birds. Yesterday I told you about the different kinds of birds, and also I have mentioned you about the crow, isn't it? Yeah. So the birds lay their eggs in the nest like this on the top of the tree, on the branches. They are doing? They are laying their eggs in the nest like this. They are making, what is it they are making? With twigs. ചുള്ളിയും കൊമ്പൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് അവർ മരത്തിൻ്റെ ബ്രാഞ്ചിൽ they are making the nest there, and in the nest they are laying the eggs there. Understood? Yeah. So I have showed you the different kinds of birds, that is myna, sparrow, bat and crow. Okay, got it, my dear children? All of you got it? No? Different kinds of birds, and where they lay their eggs? They lay their eggs in the nest. Understood? And also yesterday I told you, what I told you? Study the word fun. That is, study the spelling of ribbon, beak, comb hair, tie laces. Yesterday I told you that you should have to study. After the exam you can study it. You are having the exam, no? After that you can study this word by word, this word fun. That is the word by word, the spellings you can study at home. And also I told you yesterday to draw that here, in that when you sit by the side of the window, what do you see outside? That you can draw here. Yesterday I told you to draw here, that not in a hurry, don't do it, slowly you can do it. Okay. So and also I taken the class yesterday, that is the conversation of Sarah and Mummy. I taught you yesterday. I hope all of you have read the lesson. വീട്ടിലിരുന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങളത് വായിക്കണം. ഇപ്പോൾ തിരക്കിട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട, കുറച്ച് ഗ്യാപ്പ് ഇട്ടിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ വായിച്ച് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക ആ ലെസൺ. എന്നിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ഹാർഡ് വേർഡ്സ്, ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് വേർഡ്സ് പഠിക്കണം. അത് ഓരോന്ന് നോക്കി നോക്കി വായിച്ചിട്ട് പഠിക്കണം. മനസ്സിലായോ? ഇനി നമ്മൾക്ക് അടുത്തത് എടുക്കേണ്ടത് പേജ് നമ്പർ 18 റീഡ് ആൻഡ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് റീഡ് ആൻഡ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ യുവർ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് tick the correct sentence in each pair. Like this. In your textbook here, that is what you should have to do is take the page number 18 and tick the correct sentence in each pair. First one, Sarah was going to the park. Second, Sarah was going to school. So yesterday we have read that lesson. So where was Sarah going? Sarah was going to the park. So here it is already put the tick mark in your textbook, already put the tick mark here. So don't worry about that, it is already done there. That from second onwards you should have to read it and put the tick mark there. Second one is Sarah could not find her ribbon. Sarah could not find her pencil. So which is the proper answer there? Two sentences are there. So first one is Sarah could not find her ribbon. Next, Sarah could not find her pencil. So you should have to tick the first one. Sarah could not find her ribbon. Like this you should have to do it. Okay? Yeah. The third one is Sarah knew she put the ribbon on the table. Sarah did not know where she kept the ribbon. So you should have to put the tick mark in the first one. Fourth one, a little bird flew away with the pencil. A little bird flew away with the ribbon. So what is the right answer? The second one, a little bird flew away with the ribbon, like this. Can you see this? Yeah. Next, B. Match the two columns to make complete sentences. You are given 5 words are there and you should have to match it. Like this, read and do it. I will read it for you. First one, Sarah left her ribbon. Already in the textbook, the answer is given to you. That is like this, they have drawn it for you. So, if what the easy way you can do it. If the putting that match with that line you are doing, you can do in that way, or put the number 1, 2, 3 number, that is you are easy to do like that, you can do in that way. So, I think it is putting the number is easy, like this, drawing line like this, that is, I think it is not in the very perfect way. So, you can put the numbers here, then that will be very easy for you. Okay, my dear children, yeah. So, one you have done it for that here, it is done, already done it. Second one, Sarah could not find her ribbon, that is the answer is C. So, put the number 2 in the side of that, in the end, put the number 2 okay, yeah. Then the third one is the bird wanted the soft ribbon. So, what is the bird wanted? The bird wanted the soft ribbon. Fourth one, the bird carried away the ribbon in its beak. So, where that bird carried away the ribbon? The bird carried away the ribbon in its beak. Beak എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? കൊക്ക്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഫസ്റ്റിൽ നമുക്ക് വേർഡ് ഫണിൽ that is it is shown the beak here. So, that is here beak, കൊക്ക്. അപ്പോൾ പക്ഷി എന്ത് കൊക്കിൽ റിബൺ വെച്ചിട്ട് പറന്നിട്ട് എവിടെയാണ് പോയത്? മരത്തിൻ്റെ മേലെ കൂട് കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് അവിടെ എന്തിനാണ് അവിടെ അത് പക്ഷി ആ റിബണായിട്ട് പറന്നു പോയത്? ആ കൂട്ടിനുള്ള അതിൽ മുട്ടിയിടാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് പോയത്. അതാണ് അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവിടെ സ്പെസിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് അവിടെ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ഡ്രോ ദാറ്റ് അവിടെ ഒരു റെഡിനെ കൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അവിടെ കാണിച്ചും തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? യാ. സോ വാട്ട് ഇസ് ഇറ്റ്? ദ ബേർഡ് ക്യാരിഡ് അവേ ദ റിബൺ ഇൻ ഇറ്റ്സ് ബീക്ക്. Fifth one, a bird lays its eggs in a nest. A bird lays its eggs in a nest. Next, sixth one, baby birds come out of the eggs. Where the baby birds come out? Baby birds come out. Come out? Yeah, where? Of the eggs. So, that B is matched like this. You can put the number like this. Don't draw the line and don't make that book in the very, it is untidy when we look like this. So, you can put the numbers here. Okay, yeah. Next is, that is exercise, that is C. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the brackets. You are given 2 bracket words there. Which is the proper answer? You can write it. Look there and write it there. Sarah had a red, that is already written the red. Sarah had a red ribbon. Blue and red is given you. You can, you know that is the proper answer is red. So, it is already written the red. So, don't worry about that. Next is the second one. Dad, Sarah could not find her ribbon. In the bracket there is a one day and every day. So, the right answer is she had, second one is Dad, Sarah could not find her ribbon. So, what you should have to write the one day, Sarah could not find her ribbon. So, one day and every day is given there in the bracket. So, you can write the one day. Yeah. Third one, she had left it on the table bed. Where she had left it? She had left it on the table. Next, the fourth one is the ribbon was not on the table. Sarah was surprised. So, the bracket words is happy, surprised. So, the right answer is surprised. So, write there in the gap portion, that is to fill it, write the surprised. Next, fifth one, her dad asked her to look for it. Father, mother. So, who asked her to look for it? Sarah's mother. So, the answer you should have to write there is mother. Sixth question, that is sixth sentence is a small dash had taken the ribbon. So, who had taken the ribbon? The bracket word is bird, bug. So, what is the right answer? Bird. A small bird had taken the ribbon. So we have finished A, B and C. That is in the page number 18. We have finished it. Understood? Next we are going to the next page, that is 19. Page number 19. Play with words. What is it? Play with words. That is D. That I wrote it on the board too. After saying this, we can go to the board. Yeah. Drop a letter from each word to get a new word. Say the new word aloud. So what is it? Drop. Drop a letter from each word to get a new word. Say the new word aloud. So in your textbook, that is hair. Hair. Play with words. D. Drop a letter from each word to get a new word. Say the new word aloud. So first one is hair. First one is hair. So hair is a word. From this word you can make another word. What is it? What is that another word you can make it? Hair. Air. Hair. Air. Next, second one. Train. Train. So here train is a word. With that word you can make another new word. What is it? Train. Rain. Train. Rain. Next, third one. The. T-H-E-R-E. The. Then here. H-E-R-E. Here. Okay, we can continue the class. Now I am winding up the class. We can take the class. And the rest things we can take in the next class. Thank you, my dear children.